waiting, man.
Crazy, bro.
I've been chasing you from the, I think, toll.
Oh. Let's quickly go. We gotta meet Vikram, who's already waiting. Let's go. Evening is the worst time to come out. Saturday evening, what is this traffic? My friend is already waiting there, and let's quickly send it and get there. Sad guy. Every time I make him wait. Where is bro? What's up, bro? Let's go. I just don't want to get stuck in traffic, that's all. Because I know evening, especially ST Mall, after that traffic, till ST Mall also traffic. After that also there's going to be traffic. So I get to Nandi Hills before it becomes dark. It's been so many years since I've been to Nandi Hills. I don't know, the last time I went there, I think I was a little kid. It's been way more than 10 years, easy. Let's see how it is.
Recording.
Yeah, bro.
I'll put the selfie.
Oh, hey, mad, bro. Quickly fuel up at the Shell over here. And then I'll continue recording once we cross ST Mall. Till then it's just gonna be traffic and traffic. No point. Finally beat the traffic. Up till ST Mall I didn't think, I knew there's gonna be jam. I just didn't think it's gonna be so bad. Let's quickly get to Seasons, drink coffee there, meet up with whoever we are supposed to meet. And actually, instead of making cars and bikes electric, why don't they make these trucks and buses electric first? Because these trucks and buses, they are the ones polluting so much. Half of the black smoke that comes from all these guys, trucks and buses, make them electric and then start telling others, right? Look at this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So much black smoke all these buses are releasing. Simply, they're always behind bikers, they're always behind cars. I don't know when we'll reach Nandi Hills. I think it was a bad idea to come on a Saturday evening. He's there, bro, he's there. That's the guy, bro. I'm serious, that is the guy, bro. Yeah, I'll have coffee. This is what I love. No traffic, free roads, open the throttle, instant freedom. The electric bike is coming, bro. My bro's gonna chase me on an electric bike. That guy's still on me, bro. He's trying to test out the electric. My electric friend, you're not catching. Still chasing, but he's far behind. I saw him duck and all, man. Like literally, he was like ducking in. See, he's back now. go. Anyway, I gotta slow down soon.
Nice riding, man.
Crazy, bro.
I've been chasing you from the, I think, toll.
Oh, damn.
Nearly 2 close calls.
Oh,
Those indicators.
okay, okay.
Into the fast lane.
Oh, the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of these cars, you should be careful. They'll suddenly turn. All right, man. Ride safe. See, that's what I was saying. That's a nice bike, though. It looks cool. Did I come too far? Hope I didn't come too far.
I saw you were riding the electric.
Yeah, I spoke to him also in the signal he came. He was like, bro, I was trying to catch you from the toll and all he was telling.
Ultra violet, huh?
Yeah. Nice only, bro. Like after that, why do people spit? I have to go over his spit now. I don't want to put my tire over his spit. Why? Why should I put my tire over his spit? I don't understand. Hate these. Just keep it in your mouth or swallow it or something, man. Why do you have to spit? It's disgusting. I love roads that are covered by trees on both the sides. It's such good vibes. You feel so good, you feel so peaceful. Just riding. Okay, let's wait for the bros to come. I don't want to get too ahead. Nangi Hills. But are we at the twisties yet? What the? Closed. Bro, all the way here. Come bro, we'll go back. It's fine bro, we will reach early. They don't let people in after 6 PM apparently. Look at this car, no indicator, nothing, how he came out. People usually get really pissed, but whatever, man. Some people are stupid. We just gotta be careful. If you're on a bike, it's already your responsibility to be careful, and there's gonna be stupid drivers, so be responsible, be careful, and ride safe. You can send it as long as you're safe. Let's see some low light footages from this camera. I hate people who put high beam and they can't like lower their beam. Look at that high beam. It'll blind our eyes, man. Like, I'm gonna end this video soon because anyway we're gonna just stop at the first toll and then we're gonna head back home. It was a tiring ride, man, to come all the way here in that traffic, and after coming here we couldn't even go up the hill, but it's okay, it's whatever. as long as we get to ride, it's all good. We got to ride, we at least got to come till here, so that itself is good. We'll go back on top another day. We're almost there. Once we get to the first toll, it's gonna stop for 2 minutes. I'm gonna keep my camera inside, and then we're gonna head back home. He stopped there.